So how do you remove stuff from your pictures on the iPhone? If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more ways to do it, and there are obviously like built-in features on the Pro models of iPhone, but the way it works on every single iPhone is by going to the App Store and looking up the Snapseed application. So Snapseed is a freely available photo editor developed by Google. You can see there is an update available. So make sure you get it because there has been like a nice redesign of the app, and there are so many like tools available. So you can open it up like this and just click on add a photo to pull up the gallery and just bring in here something from the picture. So let's say I'm going to pick this photo in here. You can see it's a screenshot, but the way I can work with it is that I can remove any part of this which I want, right? So I'm going to pull up the tools right there, and the one I want to find is actually the one which is called healing. So you can see healing is right there, and now it essentially means that I can just use my finger to draw on any place I want and just kind of like remove that thing. So for example, if I don't like this plus button in there, what I can do is I can use my finger to select it like this, and you can see it gets removed, right? So as you can see, this is how you can delete stuff from your pictures, right? For example, I don't like this whole button in here, right? So I can select it, do it like so again. So as you can see, perhaps you have to be a little bit more precise with it, but now it is gone, and you can click on done, and you have successfully removed stuff from your pictures on the iPhone. At the end of the day, do not forget to export it to make sure you save the the new thing, or export it, save a copy, or save it to the original, whatever you want to do. But this is how you're going to end up with a new photo which doesn't contain the thing which you wanted to remove. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you in the future uploads.